What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be getting into an embroidery patch. And the patch we will be stitching out is the Warriors logo, which will be just the name, the Warriors. Probably in another video I will be doing the Warriors jacket with the skull and bone and the wings that's on the top. So definitely stay tuned for that. But in this video, we're just going to do the name. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Hop over to the table, and I will be using felt, black felt. So I'm going to hop over to the table and cut out the black felt and get everything together. So we do have everything hooped and ready to go. I just cut out my piece of black felt. And what I do like to do is just to see if it's everything is going to fit inside of the felt. So I'm just trying to make sure. And so far it do look good and everything looks clean. So I'm going to go ahead and press this button here. Push the lever foot down. And we're going to go ahead and press the start. So now what's going to happen is a tack down. So it's going to be a tack down stitch. Then after that, it's going to be a small V stitch. And that's just to keep everything in place, because what I'm going to do is cut out everything. Once the tack down is done, I'm going to cut it all out. And then we'll go from there. Let's get into it. Why did that happen? I don't know. Sorry, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more. Perfect. You can see that. Alrighty. Just trying to hold it down and make sure everything stays in place. So far, so good. Right, stop it there, clip it, and what I will do is take this out. Alright, so what I am going to do is cut all the excess around it, cut everything off around it, and then I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty, so we're back. This is what I came up with. So go ahead, push it down, and start up the next one. Sorry about the camera angle. Hopefully I cut it good enough. let some more of this stitch out, and then I'll definitely be right back, guys. Stay tuned. And if you got this far in the video and you haven't done so already, please make sure you hit that bell for those notifications. Subscribe to the channel, and also thumbs up the video. It will be greatly appreciated, guys. Thank you so much, and thank everybody for your support and for your continual energy to help me keep making these videos. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you. So the border is pretty much about done. Then after that, it'll be going inside, which will be the lettering. So it looks like it's going to jump now. Yep, perfect. And what I'm going to do is pause it and cut this jump stitch real quick. Great. See, it's a lot of excess around it. I am going to try to cut and trim a little bit more of that off. We'll see though. Go ahead and clip this. Come on. There. I guess I can use my left hand. Okay. Sorry about that. Stop it here, clip it. Perfect. coming out clean so far, so not looking bad at all. I already stitched out a rough draft version, so I already know and have an idea of how it's going to already come out. So looking great so far. So what I am going to do is skip ahead a little bit, let this stitch out a little bit more, and skip some right before it's about to be over. So, you know, give you guys the rundown on what I did and how I did it, as well as your guys' opinions, as well as the opinions from you guys. Like I said, if you want to tell me how it looked, just comment below. So we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, guys. So we are back. We have reached the end of the embroidery stitch out. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pick up this pressure foot and take the hoop out. Show you guys how it looks. Let me zoom out. Alrighty. Alright guys, so we got it out the hoop. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I'm gonna try to clean up the edges a little bit. We'll see how that come out. But until next time, This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Once again, guys, stay blessed and continue to always strive for greatness. And I'm out.